Hello guys, welcome back to IT Scholar. Today we will learn to use the countIf formula. Do hit the subscribe button before we head towards our video and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Let's begin. As we have already discussed the function of count formula and if formula, that how and where they can be used. Today, we will use the countIf formula. With the help of this formula, we may get the number of cells we want to see from the given data. Just like from the data given over here, I want the answer to display how many times does the number 20 occurs in this whole range or data. Let's type is equal to sign countIf bracket open. The range is the data that we want to select for the formula. We select the whole data by typing C3 semicolon C14 comma. Here we type the value we need to search for, that how many times it appeared in the selected data, like we type 20 bracket over, enter. As you can see, the result is 3. Which means the number 20 is repeated or appeared 3 times in the data over here. Let's try with different values as we select 40. Let's see how many times it's repeated in the data. Is equal to sign countIf bracket open C3 semicolon C14 comma 40 bracket close, enter. The answer is 3. If you use the same formula here on the third value, which is 30, by typing the formula is equal to sign countIf bracket open C3 semicolon C14 comma 30, or we may also type the cell in which the value is present, like E6 bracket over, enter. This value is repeated for 2 times in this data. I hope everything is understood. If there's any query, you may ask in the comment section down below. And if you understand everything, then do hit the like button and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Till then, take care.